So, a little bit introduction about myself. I'm Robin, and right now I'm doing my MBA from IIT Delhi. And before that, I used to work at Samsung Electronics as a senior engineer. I worked there for 3 years. Asked me that how working in a Korean company is different from working in a Japanese company. So I will tell you that. Actually, it's all about people. So I worked in a Korean company, and now I work in a Japanese company. So it is entirely different. And the kind of people that I find here, I don't think I can find anywhere in any country. People are so nice, so much helpful, so much supportive that I cannot think of any better people than that. I came here 6 weeks back, and I have a small team. I'm actually working in Fran Polymer. So it's a small team of around 20 people. But in 6 weeks, I got to connect with them so much, and it now feels like a family. And I don't know, it's time to go back and how I will manage without these people. Really. It's a sad moment for me, really. So, now let's start the presentation. So, as I mentioned, I was assigned to Fran Polymer. Now, Fran Polymer is a joint venture of Mitsui Chemicals and Idemitsu Kosan. So, Fran Polymer is basically a very domestic kind of a company, because right now it is operating mainly in Japanese market. So, the basic problem that we had was that our understanding of the Indian market was very limited, because we are not having any sales office in India as such. So, the objective of my presentation was to try to understand Indian market, and to try to find out that how Indian market is different from Japanese market, and then try to find out the strategy which suits Indian market. So because people are working in Japanese market, so they think that the way we work in Japan, they should also work in India. But it's not like that. So we will try to understand how these markets are different, and we will also try to find out a different strategy for the Indian market.